Wash the meat and dry it thoroughly. Remove the skin from the pork belly and cut it into pieces small enough to fit into the meat grinder. Cut the pork neck, pork loin, and shoulder as well, separating the leaner pieces from the fattier ones. Cure the prepared meat with curing salt and sugar, then refrigerate for 12 hours. After this time, sort the meat again. Separate the lean pieces from the fattier ones. Cut the leaner meat into smaller chunks. Grind the fattier meat using a coarse grinding plate first, then grind the fattiest part again using a fine grinding plate. Afterward, mix this portion of the meat thoroughly. Place both the meat chunks and the ground meat back into the refrigerator for another 12 hours. Crush the juniper berries before adding them to the meat. Transfer the ground meat into a large container and mix it with all the spices except the water. Then gradually add the water until the mixture absorbs it completely. The mixing process should take about 20 minutes. Before stuffing into the protein sausage casing, mix the larger meat chunks with the ground meat. Stuff the sausage tightly into the casings, making sure the meat is firmly packed. Leave the sausage in a cool, dry place for 12 hours. If you do not have such a place, refrigerate it. Take the sausage out of the refrigerator 1 hour before baking. Bake at 90 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius, 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 2 hours. If you have a thermometer, bake until the internal temperature reaches 68 degrees Celsius, 154 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from the oven, cool it down, and hang it in a cool, dry place for 72 hours to dry slightly. Preferably in a refrigerator or another cool place below 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Your baked homemade sausage is ready. Enjoy!